Hello dear students, welcome to math class of Lit Math. In this class, we have to learn exponent and powers. We know how to read, write or compare numbers. When the number is smaller, it is easy to read, but when it becomes bigger, the numbers, it is difficult to read, write or to compare. So to avoid this difficulty, we are using exponent or power. And to make a number easy to read, write and compare, exponent powers are introduced. This is the exponential form of a number where n is the exponent of a. That means exponent means that n indicate that how many times the a is being multiplied. And a is the base and base is the number which is multiplied by itself. So let us learn from power of 10. Suppose we are writing 100 and 100 we can write as 10 into 10. That means when 10 is multiplied by itself 2 times, we can write as 10 square. Similarly, 1000 is multiplied. When 10 is multiplied 3 times by itself, it is 1000 and 1000 can be expressed as 10 cube. Just like this, here also 10,000 we can write as 10 to the power 5 or 10 to the power 10. Here 10 to the power 18. In this way we can write as 10 to the power n. That means n, here n is the number of times 10 is being multiplied. Here base is the 10 and n is the exponent. Now exponential form of a number. Other than 10, we can write any other number also as base and power. So here 5 is multiplied 4 times. That means we can read as 5 to the power 4 or 5 raised to the power 4. Here 6 raised to the power 8. Here 15 raised to the power 6 or a raised to the power 9. That means a is multiplied by itself 9 times. Now exponential form of a number. How to write or how to find a number in exponential form. After factorizing, we are getting 64 as 2 is multiplied by 5 times. That means 2 raised to the power 5 or 125 we can write as 5 cube. Now expressing a number as a product of prime factors in exponential form. Suppose 108. After factorizing, we are finding that 2 is multiplied 2 times and 3 is multiplied 3 times. So we can write 108 as exponential form as 2 square into 3 cube. Or 441 also we can write as 3 square into 2 square. Now to make easy calculation or to make easy calculation, we are finding the laws of exponents. First law of exponent is the product law. According to this law, when we are multiplying two numbers with the same base, the exponents are being added. For example, a cube into 8 cube into 8 to the power 4, that is equal to same base 8 with the exponents being added, that means 3 plus 4, that is equal to 8 raised to the power 7. Now quotient law. In quotient law, when two numbers of same base are divided, that means that is subtract. We have to subtract the exponent. For example, 10 raised to the power 9 divided by 10 cube, that is equal to 10 will be the same base. There is no change in the base, and 9 minus 3 will be the exponent. So the answer will be 10 raised to the power 6. When two numbers with the same base are divided, just we have to subtract the exponents of the divisor from the exponent of the dividend. Next is power law. In power law, when a raised to the power n whole to the power m, that means the powers or the exponents will be multiplied. Multiplying powers with the same base when a is one non-zero number. For example, 10 cube raised to the power 2 or 10 cube whole square, that is equal to 10 to the power 3 into 2, that is equal to 10 to the power 6. Now multiplying different base and the same exponent. When base are the different numbers and the exponents are the same numbers, that times we have to multiply the base a into b with the same or with the common exponent. For example, 2 cube into 5 cube. Here 2 and 5 are the base and both are different, but the 3, when the exponent of both the base are same or the common, that means we have to multiply the base with the same exponent. Now dividing the numbers with the different base and the same exponent. Same we have to do here. 10 cube divided by 5 cube. Here base are the different and the powers are the same. Exponents are the same. That means we have to divide the base 10 divided by 5 with the same exponent. Now numbers with exponent 1. Any number raised to the power 1 is equal to the same number only. That means a raised to the power 1, that is equal to a. That means simply if we are writing a number 5, that means the power 1 is hiddenly present. For example, 2 to the power 1 is 2, or minus 5 to the power 1 is minus 5. Numbers with the exponent 0. When any non-zero numbers raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. A raised to the power 0 equal to 1, where a is a non-zero number. For example, 10 raised to the power 0 is equal to 1, or minus 8 raised to the power 0 is also equal to 1. Now let us know what is the power with negative exponent. An exponent indicates how many times the number is multiplied by itself. And we know that the exponent, that is how many number of times it is multiplied. So if it is a negative exponent, how many times we are multiplying that number? What about the negative power? Negative is the opposite of positive, and division is also the opposite of multiplication. That means a negative exponent in a power for any non-zero integer is reciprocal of that number, or reciprocal of the power. A raised to the power minus 1, that is equal to a upon 1 upon a, or 10 to the power negative 2, that is equal to 1 upon 10 square, or that is equal to 1 by 100. So this is all about your basic of exponents and powers and the laws of exponent and power. So thank you all. Thank you for watching.